Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot unlock problem where you don't get any signal but it does read your carrier up here, like say T-Mobile. Here I got iPhone 4S. It's a CDMA Sprint. I unlocked it and it was working perfectly fine on T-Mobile. Everything works, but let's say one day the battery died, right? And I didn't get to a charger on time, or I powered it off at night, and then when I powered it back on, this is what I get. I'm going to show you how to fix this, okay? I don't know if this is a common problem or not, but if you ever run into this, just use my video as a reference. And if it works out for you, give me a thumbs up, a like, subscription, or whatever. If it doesn't, send me a comment, a question. Maybe I could help you out or something. Okay. So first thing we want to do, and this is a really simple trick to fix this. Okay. So first thing we want to do is we want to pop out the SIM chip. Okay, and I do want to show you that it is on 5.111, and originally it was locked with Furious Mod using a gevey SIM chip. So it's really simple. Just take it out. You're gonna go back into the home screen, pop it back in. After that, you wait. If the black screen with the license code pops up, just press accept, and wait again. And if the black license code screen pops up again, just hit accept and wait again. And you should be able to pick up your signal. I'm going to show you on mine's here. So we just wait. You gotta be patient here. Okay, there go our first one. Press accept. We'll see if that picks up the signal or not. You might be getting a second one, or even possibly a third one. After the third one, I probably, I don't know, probably just power it off and power it back on and try again. But this definitely works for me, and it may work for you. Again, this is an iPhone 4S for Sprint. It is a CDMA. I'm not sure if it will, the trick will work on a Verizon or any other one. But if it does work on it and you guys tried it, let me know. Leave me a comment. But in the future, if I get a iPhone 4S for Verizon, there go our second one. If I get a 4S for Verizon and it does the same thing, I'll make a video on YouTube and keep it as a reference guide. So T-Mobile, get 1 bar, 2 bar. We get the E. There you go, guys. Hey, that was a simple fix of basically just popping out your gevey SIM chip, letting it go back to the home screen, and pop it back in. Wait for the black license code screen. Press accept once. Wait again. License screen come up again. Press accept twice, and you got your signal. Alright, thanks guys.